بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم۔ لیٹ فار بلائنڈ کے معزز سامعین و ناظرین، السلام علیکم۔ آج ہم آپ کے ساتھ شیئر کریں گے PPSC کا BPS 16 کا اسسٹنٹ پاسٹ پیپر۔ لیکن ویڈیو شروع کرنے سے پہلے ہمیشہ کی طرح ہماری آپ سے گزارش ہے کہ ہمارے چینل لائٹ فار بلائنڈ کو سبسکرائب کر دیں اور ساتھ لگے بیل آئیکن کو بھی دبا دیں تاکہ باقاعدگی سے آپ کو ہماری ویڈیوز ملتی رہیں۔ تو آئیے ویڈیو شروع کرتے ہیں۔ کوشچن: Moro Liberation Front was active in answer Philippines. Question: Choose the option that best explains meaning of to talk through one's hat. Answer is to talk nonsense. Question: Lionel Messi is a famous footballer of which country? Answer is Argentina. Question: The shuttle weight in badminton should be from 4.74 to dash. Answer is 5.50 grams. Question: The Lucknow Pact granted the right of separate electorate to the. Answer is Muslims. Question: Convert to indirect form. He said, "Hooray, we have won the match." Answer is he exclaimed with joy that they had won the match. Question: What is the meaning of the word Quran? Answer is that which is to be recited. Question: The world's largest island excluding Australia by area is. Answer is Greenland. Question: The most serious environmental effect posted by hazardous waste is. Answer is contamination of groundwater. Question: Change the sentence into passive voice. Who teach you English? Answer: By whom are you taught English? Question: What is the antonym of incongruous? Answer is harmonious. Question: Synonym of proscribe is. Answer is prohibit. Question: Which two organs are mainly affected by malaria? Answer is spleen and liver. Question: During the tenure of which Russian president Geneva Accord was signed? Answer is Mikhail Gorbachev. Question: Compound nouns are made up of dash words. Answer is two or more. Question: In which country does the desert city Timbuktu lie? Answer is Mali. Question: Which country has officially legalized recreational use of marijuana? Answer is Canada. Question: Pakistan Resolution 1940 was seconded from Sindh by. Answer is Sir Abdullah Haroon. Question: In MS Word, which of the following is used to correct spelling or grammar errors? Answer is autocorrect. Question: Hazrat Musa alayhi salam crossed the. Answer is Red Sea. Question: Ban Ki-moon was the. Answer is Secretary General UNO. Question: A dash is a data communication system within a building, plant, or campus or between nearby buildings. Answer is LAN. Question. Which key on the keyboard can be used to view slideshow? Answer is F5. Question. Dosimeter is a device used to measure. Answer is radiation for safety purposes. Question. At present, the European Union has dash member states. Answer is 28. Question. A milkman adds 10-liter water in 10-liter milk. His son takes 15 liter of the milk and adds 5-liter water in it. Find out the amount of water in liters in this milk. Answer is 12.5. Question. The first women police station in Pakistan was set up in. Answer is Islamabad. Question. Synonym of catastrophe is. Answer is disaster. Question. According to the Indus Water Treaty, Pakistan obtained exclusive right for the three western rivers which included. Answer is Indus, Jhelum and Chenab. Question. Where is Whitehaven Beach located in Australia? Answer is Queensland. Question. Complete the sentence. She dash unconscious since 4 o'clock. Answer is has been. Question. Which of the following is known as the father of railways? Answer is George Stephenson. Question. The Copernicus project, under which wind sensing satellite Aeolus launched, is a joint venture of. Answer is European Union and European Space Agency. Question. When the first bus service between Srinagar and Muzaffarabad was started? Answer is 2005. Question. Choose the correct meaning of the idiom spick and span. Answer is clean and fresh. Question. A single page of PowerPoint presentation is called. Answer is slide. Question. A right issued by a high court to order the production of a person in illegal confinement is. Answer is habeas corpus. Question. YouTube video surfing and sharing website was founded in year. Answer is 2005. सवाल. स्वदेशी रेल किसका मज़ाहिया मज़मून है? जवाब शौकत थानवी. सवाल. मौलाना ज़फ़र अली ख़ां कहाँ के तालीम याफ्ता थे? जवाब अलीगढ़ कॉलेज. सवाल. टिक टिक, छम छम, री री, धग धग वगैरह अल्फाज कवायद की रूह से हैं. जवाब है इसमें सौत. सवाल. नून मीम राशिद का असल नाम क्या था? जवाब है नज़र मोहम्मद राशिद. सवाल. ऐसा फ़ेल जिसमें जब तक फ़ाइल के साथ साथ मफ़ूल ना आए जुमला बामैनी ना बने कहलाता है? जवाब है फ़ेल मुतअद्दी. सवाल. काबिल दीद से क्या मुराद है? जवाब है देखने के काबिल. सवाल. 2 गज़ ज़मीन भी ना मिली कुए यार में. ये मिसरा किस शायर का है? جواب ہے بہادر شاہ ظفر۔ سوال، لفظ مفر کا متضاد کیا ہے؟ جواب ہے حضر۔ سوال، رحمان بابا کس زبان کے شاعر ہیں؟ جواب ہے پشتو۔ سوال، سید الشہداء قواعد کی روح سے کیا ہے؟ جواب ہے لقب۔